Hey everyone, so today was a beautiful day. It's a weekday. As you can see behind me here, there is literally nobody out on the lake. And that's what I usually like about coming out on the weekday is that there is nobody out on the ice. And there is an extension for these two. I take these off and put the extension. You can get about a foot or 2 foot extension. Probably not the 2 foot. I mean, if you get some thick ice, probably, but the 1 foot would do just fine. Anything over 3 feet of ice would definitely need that extra foot of the extension. I have not used this battery out yet. I usually do about at least 3 to about 6 or 9 or 12 holes, and it's been doing well for me with about 2 to 3 foot of ice. It's been drowning me about 9 to 12 holes. So the battery holds. Just charge it up and take it to the ice. It works. No worries. The second hole for my sonar. Just like that, there is no water coming out compared to the one that I did at first, where I just lift it up and it pulls all the water out. This one I was using the reverse, and it pushes all those loose ice and water back down the hole so that there's no water flooding my fishing area or inside my shelter. Well, hey, thank you very much for watching my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my DJ channel, please help subscribe, share, and like my video. And as always, thank you very much for watching. Thank you.